Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Elementor. If you're working on a multilingual website or simply prefer using WordPress in your native language, adjusting the language settings will make your entire admin experience more comfortable and intuitive. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, as you'll need admin access to make these changes. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar WordPress dashboard with all your site management tools laid out before you. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar menu where all your main navigation options live. From here, click on Users. This section allows you to manage all user accounts associated with your WordPress site, including your own profile settings. It's where you'll find the controls for personalizing your WordPress experience. After clicking on Users, you'll see a submenu appear. From this submenu, select Profile. This takes you directly to your personal user profile page, where you can adjust various settings that affect how you interact with WordPress and Elementor. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down until you reach the language section. This is where WordPress gives you control over the interface language. It's worth noting that this setting affects the entire WordPress admin area, including Elementor's interface, making everything display in your chosen language. In the language section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu under Language and browse through the available options. WordPress supports dozens of languages, so take a moment to find and select your preferred language for the WordPress admin interface. Whether you're more comfortable with Spanish, French, German, or any other supported language, simply click on it to make your selection. After selecting your desired language, you're almost done. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the profile page and click the Update Profile button. This saves your language setting and applies it immediately to your WordPress dashboard and Elementor interface. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Elementor by adjusting your WordPress profile settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.